विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। दिवचलेच्या नारायण जाटये महाविद्यालयाक 25 वर्सां पुराय जाता। ह्या निमतान ह्या शिक्षणीक संस्थेन 10 फेब्रुवारीक कार्यावळीचें आयोजन केलां। आरडीएक्स खातीर दिवचलेच्यान चंदू मांद्रेकर।
25 years silver jubilee this year. Our college started in 1994, June 1994. So the academic year 2018-19 is the silver jubilee year of our college. On this occasion, various milestones we have achieved. With the support of all these people, this institution has successfully, I will say, completed its 25 years of existence. As I said, this college started in 1994 with one class. Today we have got 11. So our growth from one class to 11 classes. There were 60 students, 60 on the first year of our college. Now we have more than 600 students studying in this institution. Presently, we have got BCom, that is undergraduate, MCom, postgraduate in commerce, CMA foundation, CA, CPT foundation also, CA, and shortly this year, June, we are going to start the IGNOU Center. We have applied and every all formalities almost works. And we have got research center, that is PhD in commerce. So we have got BCom, MCom and research center in commerce. On this occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration, on 10th of February is the birthday of our chairman of governing council, Sri Suresh Zatia. We are happy that we are going to celebrate with all governing council members and other people. Let me tell you the people who actually manage the show. Sri Harish Zatia, Sri Suresh Zatia, Sri Umesh Zatia, Sri Praveen Zatia, Sri Siddharth Zatia, Sri Rohit Zatia. They are the governing council members, and we have decided that on the occasion of 80th birthday of our chairperson, we are going to unveil the statue of Sri Narayan Ganesh Prabhu Zatia in the college campus.
Zatia Brother Foundation is a foundation which we have laid down to help for the betterment of Bicholim. We as a family are highly indebted to the township of Bicholim because that has helped in building our entire empire. So whenever there has been a need for any betterment of Bicholim township, they always have come forward. When there was a requirement for a community hall, we came in for Dhirabai community center hall. When there was a need for a place for a special children, our Zatia Brother Foundation came forward to help with the special school.
On behalf of the Zatia Brothers Educational Foundation, college, teachers and students, as a coordinator of this whole event, I would like to at the outset welcome all of you for this event